Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your PlayStation account and making sure your DualSense is connected. This prepares input. Once done, press the PS button, open the control center, then choose Messages or Party to access chats. Make sure to select the specific friend or group thread where you want to use emoji. You do this now because emoji insertion works inside active text fields, so selecting the chat is the first actionable step to enable the keyboard and emoji picker. You now bring up the on-screen keyboard by selecting the message text field. Next, open the emoji panel using the dedicated emoji icon on the keyboard or by swiping the touchpad if your app supports that gesture. Once the panel appears, navigate categories with the D-pad or left stick and use X to insert the emoji into your message. This step matters because the panel groups emoji logically, so learning navigation cuts typing time and helps you pick the right expression quickly. Finish by reviewing your composed message and pressing the send button, often R1 or on-screen send, so the emoji goes out with your text. If emoji don't appear for other users, make sure both you and they are running the latest Ps5 system and app updates. Differences in firmware can affect rendering. If problems persist, restart the console, rebuild the database from safe mode, and test again. These troubleshooting steps fix most rendering or keyboard issues so your emoji display correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.